I got the new Hero 10, dude, and I just been the editing program that I usually use to edit videos. The GoPro Studio doesn't work with the Hero 10, so I just been kind of like putting it off, getting a new laptop or a new editing program. I'm due for a new laptop anyway, so I'm back on the 7 Black right now just to kind of keep you guys updated and post a bit, man. It's been a while. Today is, oh, we got him the forks out. Today is Saturday the 15th. We're like freaking 9 o'clock exactly in the morning. And Raiders are in the playoffs, dude. Crazy. Raiders play today, Bengals. For all you Raider fans out there. Niners are in the playoffs too, for all you Niner fans. It's pretty sick. And it's Supercross in the night. Oaktown, baby. It's a good Saturday. It's a good Saturday, man. You know what I mean? We're out here early. You know what I mean? Just getting the riding in. Recall that hill, dude. Shout out to that IRC right there. I think I'm gonna take that single right there. He hooked right there. I panicked and then I kept on it. There's some tippy toe stuff. Oh shit! No! What the? Going back to the same way. I wanted to go that way. You gotta turn around, but whatever. I ain't gonna. For some reason we were supposed to go this way. Jesus. Whatever. Any trail's cool. You go one way, you go the other way. Shit, come on. Woo! You got some compression, dude. Anyway, this is going on. Whoa! This is going on today. So we got a good angle. That's it. Try to upload this on Saturday. Same day, if not, it's gonna be Sunday. You know what I mean? That's about it, guys. It's just a laptop issue. Up my footage game, get the Hero 10, and come to find out the program's not capable or something, man. If you guys have that problem, let me know. Alright guys, into it for this video. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We out here. This is the next video right here. Peace.